out of here!
Thank goodness. I saw her!
It's the
The battery is unstable. I apologize.
Hey, move it!
Watch where you're going.
Get out of here! Beat it! Go back where you belong.
Thief!
Stop! Grab her!
Grab her!
Get back!
She's stolen something.
Look at it! It's a monster. Throw a rock at it. Loser! Go away, creep.
That's my safe.
Look at that broken thing! Haha, copy it! Get out of the way! Trip it! Give it a drink! Throw trash! Fall!
Help! Someone help! Puppy, come back! I'll get him. Thank goodness they saved the puppy. Yeah, traffic was held up for ages. Just look at that mess. Honestly, some people... You can't stay here, ma'am. We've received complaints. Please move to the public sidewalk.
No, sweetie, come here.
Sorry, kid, I'm booked up. Don't have time for scrap.
Keep your hands off that! Get out of our way!
You think you're so tough? Leave it, it's not worth it. Get out of here! System critical. Battery low. Damage severe. Cannot comply. Stop the truck! Stop the truck!
Help! My ankle! I'll get the bike. Here, sit down. Thank you. Sirens!
Help is here!
Thank you so much.
Look, Mommy. It's a dangerous robot. Run, get out of here. I mean, no harm.
Now you're truly alive. Congratulations, everyone. I see the child! Stay back, the stairs are blocked. Hold on, I'm coming! The fire escape is gonna fall.
I've got you, little one!
No, watch out! I saw it carrying the child. It moved so fast. We need to find this thing. I saw her!
It's the robot!
Call emergency services. Everyone get back. Stay away from us. Stop!
They're gonna attack!
No, it's her. She saved me. I found her. Get the net ready.
Now! Launch it!
She's down. Grab the sticker.
Load her up! Let's move! Help! Get out of the way!
Move back. It's falling.
Faster! Towards the open ground!
Watch out! Help! We're trapped! Grab my hand, quick! Run, little girl, run! I've got you, it's clear!